If you want to start your freelancing journey or if you want to a side hustle, so this video gonna help you. In this tutorial I will show you a live project how you can make money doing e-commerce lead generation. You will get a lots of jobs from different platform, like this is people per hour. Here you can see a data entry research admin support project and you can earn per hour $10. Okay, also here you can see the freelancer job market. You will see the data entry per hour $2, $2,000, $10, $403. You will see the different kind of jobs available online now, and what you have to do is just create an account, free account on freelancer.com or people per hour or upwork.com, okay, so that you can get a job on that platform. Okay, so it's a real money and you can work from your home. So if you are a student or if you are a job holder, you can start your freelancing career, or if you are a housewife, you can work from home. I make videos how you can make money online, how you can start your freelancing journey. You will get lots of videos on that, and here you can see Fiverr data entry jobs, lead generation jobs. It's a playlist. It's 11 videos. You can watch those videos and you will get a good bunch of ideas, so it can help you in your starting freelancing journey. Okay, and if you found this videos helpful, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's jump into the main topic. So here you can see that it's a Upwork project, e-commerce lead generation specialist needed. Okay, so I will show you the details project, how you can do this job. Okay, so your task should be create any account and fulfill your account as a freelancer. Okay, each and every platform has a two part, like a buyer and freelancer. Okay, so if you search on different videos, you will get lots of ideas, and if you have any specific queries or if you want to suggest, so I can make another video how you can create this account, okay, and how you can get this job. And lots of students you are asking where you can get a job. So this is the platform, people per hour, and another platform is freelancer.com. Here you can see the copy paste data entry jobs and $70 per hour. Here you can see another is $14, $13. Okay, data entry MS Office and Excel $5 per hours. So data entry. Okay, so and many viewers you are asking what kind of skills do you need to start freelancing. Here you can see data entry, MS Office and Excel. So it's the common thing. You have to learn data entry basic, like you have to know the Office, Excel, how to operate, and how you can collect data from different sources, obviously online. So web research is the one of the basic thing. So you have a computer for doing this kind of job. Okay, you don't need to have a mobile, or you can't do this job on mobile. It's a $20 budget. So I will discuss about this project later. Okay, here you can see the skills and experiences. Okay, data entry, you must have knowledge about data entry, lead generation, list building. It's a similar thing. Communication, you have to understand the English first, and you have to communicate sometimes with your buyers. Email marketing, social media marketing, it's a big part of that, but you don't need to this. Sometimes buyer will put this kind of expertise skills. So if you have only data entry, lead generation, list building, prospect list, market research experience, that's great. So you can go ahead. Okay, and here you can see the proposal hired three. That's mean this buyer hired 3 freelancer. So it's a win-win situation. So if you know how you can send a proposal to this buyer, so before sending any proposal, before applying any job, so you must have to knowledge about on that particular skills or topic. Okay, so it's a e-commerce lead generation. So definitely first of all you have to understand the what is lead generation and what is e-commerce lead generation. So lead generation is like you have to collect or you have to generate leads. That's mean the data information from different sources. It could be any industry, it could be any niche or any person. Okay, so there are lots of sources where you can collect this kind of information. So this is the real scenario. So I will show you this project so you can understand what is the job and what should you do and how you can send this project to your buyer. Okay, so here you can see the buyer details also. It's really important to apply any kind of job, so you have to check the buyer details. The buyer from United Kingdom, here you can see job posted 250, 96% higher rate. That's great. Before applying any job on Upwork, you must check the hire rate. It's really important. Suppose the hire rate is only 6% or 60% or 50%. That's mean when you apply, your chances is very low to get hired by this buyer. That's the scenario. Okay, so always check the hire rate, and it's really great. And total spent, that's mean buyer has been spent 5,000 USD and hires 395 freelancers. Okay, and active now 16, and hourly rate is $11.60. Okay, so let's check the job description. Here you can see, okay, so it's like an e-commerce lead generation specialist to identify and connect with potential clients. Your role involves researching, qualifying leads, and nurturing relationship to grow the businesses. Okay, very clear. That's mean you have to research, qualify the leads, and set up roles will be given by the buyer, and you have to qualify the leads like the email checking and their LinkedIn checking or other things. Okay, and nurturing the relationship, sometimes you have to send the email address to this lead. Make sure to communicate with your client, like you are a middleman, so you have to set an appointment. So this kind of thing. So it's a basic thing, don't worry about it. Here is important part of that requirements. Please include examples of your past work in your proposal. That's mean, suppose you are a beginner, you don't have any example. So there is a solution. Suppose this is an example. So this is an example, real buyer example. So I will show you the step. So you can follow this step and you can build your own list. Okay, so there should be examples of your work. So it's not your genuine buyer work. So that's why I build a playlist. I've already showed you. Where you can see the playlist, you can see the Fiverr data entry lead generation jobs 11 videos. You can watch each and every parts of this video, and you can make 10 to 11 examples of that work. Okay, so let's start. So if you don't know e-commerce lead generation, what is this e-commerce lead generation? So you can search on Google, and the very easier thing is that you can also ask on ChatGPT and type here what is e-commerce lead generation, what is e-commerce lead generation. Okay, and press enter, and ChatGPT will give you the details, and you have to read all the things, and also you can send it e-commerce lead generation, press enter, what you can type what is e-commerce lead generation. So here you can see the people also ask what is e-commerce lead generation, and just press okay, and here you can see the results. Okay, so when you understand the basic thing, so I will show you the another thing is that I will show you very interesting thing is that, so when you read out this answer, also when you research e-commerce lead generation, you will find a similar concept. Okay, but what is the difference between in this project and our answers? In this lead generation, we have to find the store owner. That's mean the e-commerce website store owner, and most of the results here we can see it's a B2C. That's mean someone who is interested in your product and services. That's mean it's called direct to customer. So that's why I showed you the results. Okay, so when you understand the basic thing, it's a little bit different here, like it's a B2B lead generation, e-commerce lead generation, and here is the all the answers from the ChatGPT, also Google. It's called a B2C. That's mean you have to find. So we don't need to find any customer who can purchase this product like from this buyer. That's not our job. Our job would be finding the quality leads. That's mean the store owners. So how we can do this job? Okay, if I search clothing brand, okay, so if I like clothing, like so if I search clothing, so then click on the peoples, and here you can see the search bar. It's a scenario connection, send it thirds, show results. Also we have a location. So it should be a location must be provided by buyer, and United States, show results. And also we have a all filters, and you can select the CEO. Okay, that means CE, show charts. And here we can see United States, we have 20k results. Those are mainly the clothing brand owner, and you see it's a e-commerce lead generation. That's mean we have to find the store owner, founder, CEO or director. Okay, so those people are from USA, and they are e-commerce store owner, that's mean clothing, it's a clothing, so you can search different niches. Okay, you can type different niches like the baby clothes or fitness cloth or sports cloth. It's a different, so e-commerce, it's a giant industry. You can search as much as you can. So your task would be just collect their information and the email address. So how you can do this? So you have to build a email list and contact list. That's mean the person name, person company, person website. That's mean you have to collect the first name, last name, website, LinkedIn, email address, phone number, etc, etc, and that profile should be you sent to your buyer. That's the job. Okay, and if you watch my other videos, maybe you can understand all the things. I hope you can understand what is e-commerce lead generation and what is our task and how we can find the leads from LinkedIn. So stay tuned. No more today. Have a good day. Tata, bye bye.